Nike is already setting the tone for 2026 with the early appearance of the Pegasus Premium, unveiled in multiple colorways at the end of 2025. One of the most eye-catching versions features a bold zebra-inspired design, hinting at a more adventurous year ahead for Nike running. This edition comes dressed in a black Phantom dark hazel and metallic gold color scheme, combining style with serious performance. The midsole is built for dedicated runners, featuring React X foam, Zoom X foam, and a sculpted Zoom Air unit that delivers responsive cushioning and long-distance comfort. The lower portion leans toward a clean sail-like finish, while the upper stands out with black and gold tones. Breathable materials across the forefoot and collar are accented with zebra-style striping, giving the shoe its wild personality. Nike may extend this design theme to other running models. The Pegasus Premium Zebra is expected to release globally on Nike's official website by April 2026, with an estimated retail price of around $220.